Alright guys, 2 boxes left. This box 15 overall and box 11 of the 12 box case. See if we can somehow finish out strong. We got our 4th redemption, Brandon Merriweather gold signature. And that was pretty much it out of the last box. Well, we broke our streak. Michael Okwo, 704 of 999 for the Bears. And we have a Brandon Jackson rookie for the Packers jersey. Freshman orientation, white jersey. And that is 85 out of 175. All base. All base. Base. Got a Ted Ginn cross-chaining insert, and that is numbered 156 out of 1,000. All base. All right, we got a James Jones. Put that down for a second. A James Jones jumbo patch, manufactured patch autograph. Pretty much the weakest autograph one of them you'll ever see. It's 186 out of 245 or 246. Sorry. So it's pretty cool. We got like 4 of those so far, so definitely don't hit them as much as this year's. Got an insert for the Bucks of Gaines Adams, and that is out of 1,000, 673 out of 1,000. All base. This is a really big one, a really thick one. All base with a dummy. Joseph Adai insert, silver. 153 of 249. All base. Still looking for 2 hits, I think. Got a, I think it's a Trent Edwards. Yep, Trent Edwards insert. 128 out of 500. All base.
We are in the midst of crisis is now well understood. Our nation is at war against a far-reaching network of violence and hatred.
All base.
Our economy is badly weakened, a consequence of greed and irresponsibility on the part of some, but also our collective failure to make hard choices and prepare the nation.
Got a rookie for the Colts of Ed Johnson. We've definitely had this one before. 311 of 999. Rookie for the Titans of Joel Falani. And that is 143 of 199.
A nagging fear that America's decline is inevitable, that the next generation will reflect. Today I say to you that the challenges we face are real. They are serious and they are many. They will not be met easily.
Nice thin one.
America, they will be met.
A rookie of David Irons for the Falcons. 758 of 999. Got 4 packs left. I think we have 2 hits. It's a nice thick one. And it is a Greg Olsen, Dress for Success jersey for the Bears, and that's 159 of 175. Dummy all base. Like we got our last, well, whatever. It's going to be a Tony Gonzalez jersey, standing O. And 17 of 250. Last pack of box 15. And it's all base. Last box coming up, guys.